We're going to make a knotted bracelet. So we're going to use some scraps of fabric that we have, and we made the bracelet band using the tie knot method, and you can watch the video for that. So this can be a bracelet or a ponytail holder. So once you have the right size, then just take a scrap of fabric and tie it in a knot around that band. And you can do a single knot or a double knot, whatever you prefer. And then any loose ends you can cut off, or you can leave them on till the end and see how it looks when you're all finished. And if you have a long scrap of fabric, then you can just tie it in one knot and then use the longer piece to move around the bracelet, tying it in more knots as you go along. So just use any colors you like, and you can keep this for yourself or you could give it to someone as a gift. And if you wanted to make a necklace or a hairband, you can use the exact same method. You just have to start with a bigger band. So we'll keep tying knots all the way around, and any loose ends you can either tuck under a knot or you can cut off. And you can do as many knots as you'd like or just a couple. We're going to try and go around the whole bracelet to make it nice and decorated. There's tons of other ways to make a cool bracelet on here, so check out the other videos. You can start with the regular band using the tie and hole method, or you can check out our other tutorials and make a fringe bracelet. Tons of other cool stuff. So we're almost done here. We're just going to keep tying some knots. This bracelet is all blue and purple right now, so we might add another color towards the end. See how it looks. So just keep tying those knots really tight and cutting off any ends that you don't like the look of. And now we're going to add some pink. So just get a scrap, cut it to just a couple inches long, and then tie it in a knot around a part of the bracelet that doesn't already have a knot on it. And then when you're all done, you have a funky new bracelet, or you could also use it as a ponytail holder at the bottom of a braid or something, so it fits on your wrist, or you can double it up and use it instead of a hair elastic. So thanks for watching this video on artioso.com, and check out our other videos on other cool bracelets you can make. Then you're all done.